If you want to add Calendly to a Framer website, this tutorial will walk you through the whole process step by step. By the end, you'll have your Calendly booking calendar embedded right into your Framer page, so visitors can schedule time with you without leaving your site. This is a super useful setup for booking calls, consultations, demos, or discovery sessions. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick Framer and website tutorials. Let's get into it. First, go to Calendly and open the event page you want to embed. Once you're on the event page, look for the three dots next to the event name. Click those three dots, then choose Add to Website. This is where Calendly gives you the options for embedding your scheduler on another website. When the embed options open, select Inline Embed. This is the best choice if you want the full calendar to appear directly on your Framer page instead of opening in a pop-up or button. After selecting Inline Embed, copy the embed code that Calendly provides. Make sure you copy the full code because you'll need to paste it into Framer in just a moment. Now open Framer and go into the project where you want the Calendly calendar to appear. After your project loads, go to the specific page where you want to place the booking calendar. You can add it to a contact page, a services page, a booking page, or anywhere that makes sense for your visitors. On that page, press Insert or click the plus button to add a new element. In the search bar, type Embed. Once you see the embed component, add it to the page. This component is what lets Framer display custom code like your Calendly calendar. Next, paste the Calendly embed code into the embed component. After that, Framer should load the calendar preview inside your page. If it looks too small or too large, resize the calendar area until it fits your layout properly. You may also want to adjust spacing around it so it looks clean and professional on the page. Once everything looks good, click Publish to push the changes live. After publishing, open your live website and refresh the page to make sure the Calendly embed is working correctly. Test the calendar as a visitor would and confirm that the booking experience loads smoothly. And that's it. You've now added Calendly to your Framer website and made it easy for people to book directly from your site. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more step-by-step software guides, and I'll see you in the next video.